Man, that looks good. How to make a tomato sandwich.
Alright, for those of you who have never had a tomato sandwich, here's the fixins. First, get yourself some all natural organic tomatoes. Clean them, slice them. Some real Hellman's mayonnaise. Spread your little mayonnaise on each piece of bread. Put yourself some sliced tomato on there. Salt and pepper. And you got yourself a tomato sandwich. Ooh, boy, that looks good. Yes, sir. And if you got a little extra tomato, just throw yourself some Himalayan sea salt on there and just eat them straight. Look at that. Oh, that's delicious stuff there. Yeah. That's some good southern food.
Hey, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.